Hello. Wanted to share with you a quick introduction to transport layer security, or TLS. TLS is used widely as a security protocol in the internet for protection of data, messages, or documents, or anything actually over the internet that you want securely transmitted. It is an encryption protocol or procedure that allows you to implement it over TCP, so the connection is secure. It's from a standards document, standards group that currently provides standards and for internet and other type of communication. And currently the most recent one is version is TLS 1.3, though TLS 1.2 is widely used still. What does TLS provide? TLS is actually the improvement of SSL, which is secure socket security layer, and it provides encryption, as I said, hides the data so that nobody can encrypt or visualize your personal information. It provides also authentication so that the party knows what particular service and the service that is talking to, or the server that is talking to, is the correct service. And also it allows for data integrity so that nothing can be tampered during the transmission of the data, which is vital for internet commerce. It allows this encryption and authentication through a TLS certificate. A TLS certificate is really a standard as well that identifies certain information such as cipher suites or algorithms used to encrypt data. Also identity information that presents a digital representation of the server, and it allows that encryption data to be transmitted. This is issued by a certificate authority, which are bodies that control the certificates. We'll talk about certificate or TLS handshake later. So this is how it's done. The digital certificates, as I said, or serve as public keys. A server public key is used for identity. The handshake process allows the client to identify and trust and then establish particular encryption method. Asynchronous encryption is one of the public key mechanisms that that goes on through, and it's set up, and then there's an optional client authentication. So if we look real quickly at a trace of this, I can show you where I'm starting a Wireshark capture, and then I'm sending this to a remote host for a port for booming. So if I use Postman to send that, then you can see the traffic that came. And if we look at this quickly, we have the sync TCP protocol. We have the flag that sets up the connection. We have the three-way handshake, and then we start immediately on the TLS handshake, or TLS, to establish the information. If we just look at TLS traffic, then you'll see that the client hello, the server hello, the certificate, the server key. This is information negotiated between the two to decide a cipher key for encrypting, and then it finally sends data. So, and here once it's established, you have the application data sent back and forth. And here you see using TLS 1.2 and TLS 1.3. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for your time.